it's Riss here to lead you on your magical journey to finding your Tipsily ever after. Today is actually the very beginning, the very first step in our journey together, and so the first cocktail we're going to create is called the Once Upon a Time. Before we can make this drink though, we're going to need to first gather a few ingredients. Vodka of your choice, a pink champagne, club soda of your choice, fresh strawberries, a fresh lemon, a fresh sprig of mint, and some ice. You will also need a few key tools in your inventory before we can begin. A tall glass of your choice, a small knife, a shot glass, a muddler, a bar spoon, and some kind of small dish that we're going to use to put lemon juice in and rim the glass with. You can use whatever kind of dish that you want here. I always like to use a bowl, but you can use a dish or whatever you'd like. The first step is to rim the glass. To do this, we need to get our small dish and our lemon. So we're going to use 1/2 of the lemon to rim the glass with and the other half to use in the actual drink. So just cut your lemon in half and then just cut a couple wedges here, something that you can squeeze the juice out of with. Once you have your lemon slices, we're just gonna squeeze them into our dish. You can use a lemon squeezer here, or you can just go for it with your hands like I'm doing. There's not really a wrong way to squeeze a lemon. Next, we're going to take our glass and dip it in the lemon juice, and then transfer it into the sugar bowl. So now we've got a really nice sugar rim going here. Now we're gonna prepare our fruit to muddle in the bottom of the glass, which is step 2. You really just want like a few little chunks of strawberries. Now we're going to do the same thing with our lemon, maybe 2 thin wedges for the lemon. So once we've got our fruit cut up, we're gonna go back to our glass, and then you're just gonna toss them into the bottom here, boop. And you just kind of play it by ear. I just did 4 little cubes of strawberries. It depends how big your glass is and how much you like strawberries. Now we're gonna take our muddler, just mush it up. Yum. Okay, so the next step is to add our vodka. You can use whatever vodka you want. I'm in Texas, I'm a Deep Eddies girl. Just throw the rim on the ground, you don't need it, you just need the vodka for a healthy shot. Next, we're gonna open up our champagne. Just make sure you don't point it towards anything, including but not limited to pets, your fiance, children, mirrors, windows, light fixtures, glassware, yourself, anybody's eyes. Just slowly push and we've got our champagne. Okay, so once your champagne is popped, you're gonna fill it about halfway up. Once you've got your champagne in, we're gonna top with ice. Once we've filled with pink champagne and topped with ice almost to the brim, the last ingredient is our club soda. Again, you can use any club soda that you want. Schweppes is a great brand. Another one is Fever Tree. I use them a lot. So now we truly top the drink all the way up. You get a nice fizz going on. At this point, you take your bar spoon, stick it right in the middle, and just swirl just a little bit. You don't want to make the champagne go crazy, but you do want to make sure it's well combined. The very last thing to do is to garnish our drink. For this drink, we're going to be using a mint leaf, and even though there's no mint in the drink, the garnish serves as just an additional flavor experience. It's more aromatic. We don't want it to be a minty drink, but we just want the mint to complement the drink we've already made. Pick a little sprig off, big or small, and then just put it in your drink. Behold our final concoction, the Once Upon a Time. It's really refreshing, and since we've got vodka and champagne in here, it's stronger than you think, so be careful with it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment. I've also included the recipe to this drink down below for your reference in case you need to make haste on your journey. I wish you good fortune until we meet again. Farewell.